When the sun goes down, these silent hunters wake up. Number 1 is so stealthy, most people never see it coming. Number 15. Leopard. The deadliest hunter on this list can walk just a few feet away, and you'll never hear it. Number 14. Jaguar. This predator doesn't just bite, it can crush bones with a single bite. Number 13. Reticulated python. Imagine something silently wrapping around you before you even realize it's there. Number 12. Nile crocodile. The water looks calm, but something underneath is waiting for one wrong step. Number 11. Mountain lion. What if glowing eyes were following you from the trees all night? Number 10. Tiger. This hunter can disappear into the darkness, even when it's standing in front of you. Number 9. African lion. One roar in the darkness can freeze everything around you. Number 8. Komodo dragon. One bite from this giant reptile can turn a short encounter into a deadly one. Number 7. Wolverine. Tiny compared to a bear, but brave enough to fight one. Number 6. Honey badger. Almost nothing scares this animal, and that's what makes it terrifying. Number 5. Fishing cat. Most people think it's just a house cat, until it attacks like a wild predator. Number 4. Striped hyena. When you hear strange laughter in the darkness, it might not be human. Number 3. Tasmanian devil. Its scream is so horrifying that early explorers thought it was a demon. Number 2. Vampire bat. You could sleep through its bite, and never know it was there. Number 1. Asian palm civet. People hear mysterious footsteps on rooftops, but almost never see the animal responsible. Tonight, we're counting down 15 real creatures that become active after dark. Some can stalk silently, some hide in plain sight, and a few have attacked humans. Number 1 is so stealthy that many victims never knew it was there until it was too late.